Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a Domino's gift card. First thing I want you to do is just launch up the app, and you can sign in using your mobile number. Just type it in, send a one-time password, and then you log in. Okay, now here you choose what kind of pizza you want, right? You go ahead and select it. Let's say you want this one, any pizza, you select whatever you want. Once you've added your selections, okay, you just come down here, click on add or select address, go ahead and add your address, okay, and go ahead and save it. This is important because that's where they'll deliver it, right? Save the address, and then you reach here payment options. So you'll see all the payment options here. You can just go ahead and scroll down until you see other payment options, and here you should see gift cards / e-voucher. So tap here and then just enter your gift card code right here. Click on continue, and the gift card, right, the balance will be actually be used. If you have a balance and if it's more than your purchase amount, that's okay. It just carries forward to your next orders, and then you just tap here pay, and as you can see, the order has been placed. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.